Authorities in the US are struggling to work out why a man and woman reportedly opened fire after a dispute at his employer's Christmas party. Saeed Ridwan Farouk and Tashfeen Malik were killed in a shootout with police after Wednesday's massacre in which 14 people were killed. The US president ordered flags flown at half-mast in memory of the victims.
It is possible that this was terrorist-related, but we don't know. It's also possible that this was workplace-related. We're going to have to, I think, search ourselves as a society to make sure that we can take basic steps that would make it harder, not impossible, but harder for individuals to get access to weapons.
The mass shooting took place in the city of San Bernardino at a social services agency where Farouk worked as an inspector. Local media reported co-workers describing him as quiet and polite. The US House Democratic leader has backed congressional efforts to address mental illness.